Make your own recycled, recyclable, and compostable modeling materials using junk mail. Many makers, from architects to cosplayers, use plastic-based modeling materials like extruded polystyrene foam and Sculpey to make models and prototypes. But as we know, tossing more plastic into landfills is awful for the environment. And the microplastics released by these materials are harmful not only to ecosystems, but to human health as well. I've developed two alternative materials to extruded polystyrene foam and synthetic clays that you can make at home or in your studio. Both are paper-based. Cai Board is a replacement for extruded polystyrene foams like pink, blue, and Ren foam. It's easy to cut, sand, etch, and CNC it. You can make sheets of material or mold it into shapes to reduce your amount of cutting and sanding. It's cheaper than buying sheet foam, is not made of plastic so won't release plastic dust all over the place, and doesn't dent as easily as plastic foams. The second, Cai Clay, is a replacement for synthetic clays. Following my recipes, you can use paper and plaster to make an air-drying clay that's good for making small models. You can sculpt the wet clay using traditional clay tools and cut, sand, or etch the dried clay. It's cheaper than buying clay, not plastic-based, and easily recyclable even after it's dried. You can also tint it customized colors. The recipes included in the books show you how to make paper modeling materials using all sorts of waste materials, from pasta water to aquafaba, all while encouraging you to experiment with materials not included in my recipes. So let's get making!